Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about how TransUnion collects your credit information. TransUnion is one of the three major credit bureaus that compile and maintain credit reports for consumers. They don't have a direct line to your finances. Instead, they get your information from various sources. The primary way TransUnion collects data is through data furnishers. These are the businesses you have financial relationships with. They regularly report your account activity to the credit bureaus. This includes banks, credit card companies, auto lenders, and mortgage companies. They provide details like your account balance, credit limit, and most importantly, your payment history, whether you've paid on time or if you have any late payments. Another source of information for TransUnion is public records. This can include bankruptcies or foreclosures that are part of a legal proceeding. These records are often collected from third-party vendors who specialize in gathering public data. TransUnion also gets information from inquiries. When you apply for a new line of credit, like a credit card or a car loan, the lender will make a hard inquiry on your credit report. This inquiry is recorded and becomes part of your credit history. There are also soft inquiries, which happen when you check your own credit report or when a company prescreens you for an offer. Soft inquiries do not impact your credit score and are only visible to you. It's important to remember that not all creditors report to all three major credit bureaus. This is why your credit report may look slightly different from one bureau to another. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.